Experience the smooth 120Hz Super AMOLED full screen. Realme GT. Get fully charged in 33 minutes. Realme G.
スマートフォンを作りました。このデザインを見ればすぐに旅行を思い浮かべるでしょう。
Fukasawa designed the shape of this phone into a travel suitcase and re-engraved a classic grille on the back.
With the new Snapdragon 778G 5G processor, 65-watt Super Dart charge, 120Hz Super AMOLED display.
Presenting Realme's flagship 5G processor.
Allowing users to think of travel when they touch this limited edition phone.
It certainly gives the smartphone a very unique aesthetic, and it also helps with the grip.
Refresh rate and touch sampling rate, but also the flagship grade chipset.
The gaming performance here is quite decent thanks to that Snapdragon 778.
Presenting Realme GT